Hey guys, welcome back to the video. As you guys can already tell from the title, today I am replacing the door jamb sensor on the Toyota Tundra. So I'm going to show you guys what's going on. So this is for the driver's side, and this broke a while back. So what happens is, whenever you go to turn on your truck, if one of your door sensors doesn't work, it won't show up on the screen here whenever you open the door, because it works for all the other doors, like the passenger door. So you can see that little animation door being open, as well as the dome light. But if I were to open my driver's side door, the dome light doesn't turn on. It's not imperative for the vehicle that you have a working door jamb sensor, but I am going to show you how to replace it for those of you that do want to know how to do it. So let's get to it. So your socket is going to be T30, and to remove this, it looks like this is the only thing that's holding it on there. It's not even on that side. And it looks like just a simple clip there to undo it. And I have my pre-owned sensor here I got, but you can get these new. Okay, so before you install it, you want to make sure that it looks at least identical. It looks like it is, so you just press this little tab here and you pull on the sensor. Do not let go, because you will lose it forever. And then you press your new sensor back in like that. Make sure it clicks on there, and then secure it back with that T30 bolt. And you don't have to manhandle it. It wasn't that tight on there to begin with. Now let's get back inside the truck and see if it worked. Okay, so closing the door, I'll turn on the key. And I'm gonna open the door, and there it is. Now you can see on the little screen that the driver's side door is opening, as well as your dome light. Closing. Let's test it again. Open, close. Passenger side. So it didn't mess with the other ones either. Well, that's pretty much going to conclude this video. As you can see, it's a pretty quick and easy fix. And if you guys are wondering why I'm wearing different clothes today, because I forgot to press record when doing my outro the other day. But yeah, thank you all you guys for watching, and subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment, all that good stuff. See you guys on the next one.